Replacement ribbed hosing for the Fluval FX4, FX5 and FX6 canister filters, A214, A218 and A219. Replacement part A20236. Easy to replace. Replacement hosing measures 13.25 feet, 4 meters. Suitable for freshwater and saltwater aquariums. The Fluval FX4, FX5, FX6 ribbed hosing is a replacement part for the Fluval FX5 and FX6 canister filters, A218 and A219. The ribbed hosing is easy to replace and is suitable for both freshwater and saltwater aquariums. The Fluval FX5, FX6 ribbed hosing measures 13.25 feet, 4 meters. Top reviews from the United States. High quality but a little pricey. Great quality product, very strong and durable. Plenty of length to cover the recommended total length for input and output. A little tough to make the tight bends required to fit it into the clamps on the top of the tank walls. You'll need to apply a good amount of firm pressure. But eventually the tube will conform to the bend of the clamp and be much easier to reinstall after cleanings or other disassembly.